Okay, let's take a look at the STAAR question of the day. Joshua compared the values of these decimals. Here he has four numbers. Which statement correctly compares two of these numbers? Okay, so we're really just looking at two of these numbers, so we have to look at the statement which is true. We are looking for something that is correct. So three of these will be incorrect and one will be correct. Okay, here is 6/10 less than 6/100. Now, one thing we may want to do before we even start is make a little place value chart. And this is going to be my ones. This is going to be my decimal. And then my tenths, remember I usually do a little t and a THS. And then my hundredths. And it does look like we have a few numbers in the thousands. So let's do that. And I know that when we go this direction, my numbers get smaller. Okay, so if I put my 6/10 and compare it to my 6/100, I know this is not true because my 6/10 is bigger, so this cannot be true. Okay, let's look and see. Here we have 6,000 because I have a 0, a 0, and a 6. Here is 6,000 greater than 6/10. Well, no, we know that this place value is the largest of the three that we have behind the decimal. So if my the 6 that's in this place value has to be bigger because I have a 0 here. So that's not true. Okay, let's look here. Is 6/10 equal to 6/100? Well, no, it can't be equal because I have a 0 in this place value. And I could also say I have a 0 here. So that just can't be correct because the place value, the 6 is in the wrong place value for it to be equal. Okay, in here. Decimal 060. So here we have decimal 06. I'll put a 0 here. Is equal to decimal 06. So we're really looking at the exact same number. So is 6/100, because that's where the 6 is in both numbers, is it equal to 6/100? Or we could say 60,000 equal to 6/100. And yes, that is correct because the 6 is in the hundreds in both numbers and I have zeros everywhere else. So D must be correct.